So tell me about the strategy that bands should put together early on. Let's say they have built it locally. They're drawing 300 people in their local market. What are the next steps, and how can they put a good strategy together so they go out on a winning tour?
I mean, I would identify the 10 to 12 markets that are within reach of you already.
Geographical
reach. So,
okay.
Within, 6 to 8 hours.
Okay.
And then from there, you can put together a sort of a route and then start to research the clubs, the bars, and then from there, the calendars show you the bands. They show you who's local. They show you who's, usually you can figure out who's selling tickets.
So do you look at the calendars and you hit up the bands that are already on the bill and say, hey, can we hop on this bill?
I've done that. And then there's other times where I've just looked at, okay, we're booking for December, and I'm looking at the calendar in August because I like to work really far out.
Yeah.
And I notice this local band has a CD release show. And it's on a Thursday night, so I check with the talent buyer if they'll respond to me and to see how the show did, or I'll just check out Facebook. Like, you can usually find pictures. This band had 200 people. So
they have a CD release show like now you're seeing in
So I booked
August.
them for December to headline a show, and we supported them, and then they had even bigger following by then. So.